Okay, hello and welcome. I just bought a WD Western Digital MyBook 4 TB external hard drive. I am running really low on space, so I just picked this up for 1,285 crowns, I believe, which is about $130, which is crazy for 4 TB. Madness. So I thought, why not do an unboxing? And this is my first unboxing, so it's going to be very embarrassing. So prepare yourself for failures. But apart from that, I hope this will be educational. Look, I don't even know how to open up a box. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is it. Just got rid of that plastic. That was way harder than I thought it would be. And let's see what's inside. Okay. Little manual thing. Useless. Oh, this is it. Cool. Hopefully you guys can see. This is pretty chill. There we go, get some light on that. Okay, let's see. Looks cool. Western Digital. MyBook, power, USB. Okay, how do you take this thing off now? Ooh, shiny. Cool. Alright, so that's one thing that came in the box. Alright, let's see. We have power adapter. Let's see. So this is UK. Hello. Let's open this. Oh, hello. Wait. So this is what I need. Chop. Well, cool. Comes with a little adapter. And how do you get rid of this thing? It's a tab here. Should probably read the instructions before I break it. So this slides in, so I take it slides out. No, I think I'm gonna break it. Oh, got it. Super. Okay, easy peasy. All right, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know what I'm doing, but you know, gotta try something. Now we have 4 TB, so more gaming. Oh, you can even see the actual external hard drive or the desktop hard drive that's in there. I take it this is like hot swappable, so somehow you pop this thing off and you can stick anything in there. Okay, enjoy. Bye bye.